Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So, to get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, turn on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out a tray, which is located on the top left side of the phone, right here where the pin is holding. You want to push it in, and the tray should pop out. There we go. Now, it looks like this tray actually takes SD card as well, so I have one just for that. Now, you can have two different SIM cards, or one SIM card and one SD card. When using dual SIM, you would place one of the SIM cards sideways like so on the SD tray. But because I'm using one of each, I am going to shift it over and place my SD card on here as well. Next, carefully insert it back into your device. Carefully, because there's nothing holding it in place. There we go. And once you do so, these cards should start working right away. Let's give it a second. It should pop up with, there we go, SIM card pin. So that unlocks my SIM card, and we should also have some kind of notification about the SD card. If not, I should be able to show it in storage. Oh, there we go. So you can see it right here, SD card. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.